자, 지금부터는 편집 없이 가고요. 양이 좀 많습니다. 한 10분에서 15분 정도 걸릴 것 같아요. 자, 준비, go. 1. I'm washing my puppy right now. 2. I eat beef twice a week. 3. The cat is chasing a mouse. They always do this. 4. My brain is working. I wanna understand the quiz. 5. I cut the onion with a knife yesterday. 6. I was riding the boat when it started to rain. 7. I bought a new car. 8. I've made a pageant before. I made it yesterday too. 9. Have you tried beef radish soup? I first tried it yesterday. 10. I've been cutting papers with scissors for 30 minutes. 11. I've been grilling meats. I've grilled 10 pieces already. 12. How long have you been practicing singing? 13. I've been making these snacks since 2020. 14. I went to ride the swing, but it had already been removed. 15. I had been looking for the shoes for months before I bought them. 16. I've got the gold rings from my family. 17. I used to take the subway to work. 18. My guitar lesson starts at 3 p.m. tomorrow. I am taking the lesson there. 19. I'm gonna buy a teddy bear. 20. My son-in-law will come over tomorrow. 21. I'm sure this apple will taste good. 22. I'm gonna ride the seesaw. It will be fun. 23. By this time tomorrow, I will be drinking soju. 24. When I've washed my hands, let's eat. 25. I can fix this faucet by myself. 26. I could block the shot. 27. You must be under a lot of stress lately. 28. He might be thinking about quitting his job. 29. We may go to that island this summer. 30. You have to follow the rule to have freedom. 31. We should protect the earth. 32. I suggest you get a lawyer. 33. You'd be better change your shirt. It smells. 34. She would run away if she saw the centipedes. 35. Could you pass me the plums? 36. If the swallow brought the lucky seed, that would be good. 37. I wish I knew the Joker's next plan. 38. If I had known the zipper was broken, I would have worn a different jacket. 39. I wish I could sleep more. 40. Silk is made from the silkworms. 41. This knife should be maintained so that doesn't rust. 42. I was asked to tighten the screw. 43. It is said that Noja was one of the greatest philosophers. 44. My eyes got worse, so I had my glasses made. 45. He said that the model has changed the pose suddenly. 46. She said she saw the butterfly. 47. Do you like nachos? Which flavors do you like? 48. Do you know where the god Natas came from? 49. 49. Is this tree 100 years old? I think so. 50. This soy milk is good, isn't it? 자, 반 했죠? 자, 지금부터 51번부터 100까지 갑니다. 51. I really enjoy playing with the snake. 52. I decide to become a master of the martial art. 53. I ordered the pig to sit down. 54. I remember lending you money. I regret doing it. 55. I try to take a bath at home. 56. I really like eating tofu, so I would like to have tofu stew today. 57. I prefer drinking tea to drinking coffee. I would rather drink tea to coffee than coffee. 58. Are you interested in playing game? 59. I'm used to climbing over the wall. 60. I succeeded in lifting the rock. 61. This drum is worth buying. 62. I brought the extinguishers to put up the fire. 63. These pants are easy to wear. 64. I'm afraid of dropping the hairpin. Me too. I'm afraid to touch it. 65. I saw him fix the bidet. 66. Having broken my legs, I went to the hospital. 67. I bought a cabbages, but I need a lot of salt. 67 했죠? 68. Please give me 2 tickets and some more information. 69. Would you like a chestnut or would you like some more? 70. 70. I pick up a spear and I used it in the game. 71. Did you read the book you bought yesterday? 72. Vegetables are healthy. The vegetables over there are organic. 73. Children love gymnastics. The children in my class are good, really good. 74. Can you fold up the clothes? 75. Have you been to Korea? Have you drive along the Han River? 76. The taxi fare went up. How much is it to the Hilton Hotel? 77. Where are my car keys? They are in my pocket. 78. Where is the bus ticket office? 79. It's my sister's skirt. What's the name of the shop? 80. I made the pie myself. 81. 81. A friend of mine is a national dodgeball player. 82. There is a referee behind the catcher. It's the rule of baseball. 83. Is there some pizza left? No, there isn't any. 84. There is nobody on the board. There is no one left. 85. There are a lot of waves, but we have little time. 86. All my skincare products are from Korea. 87. Both food stools are good. We can go to either. 88. She danced for the whole party. 89. Each person who get the perms has a different style. 89. 90. The man who threw the nets is my uncle. 91. The pitcher I met yesterday who I met yesterday threw the fastball. 92. The stage I kill the monsters a lot is super difficult. 93. 된장, which is made from meju, is one of the traditional Korean sauces. 94. The door, which is always open, is very convenient. 95. The woman standing on the stage is my wife. 96. His job is interesting, but he is not interested in his job anymore. 97. She has a beautiful new red car. 98. He quickly brought take out his badge. 99. I don't feel well. I need to take a rest. 자, 마지막이네요. 100. 다 왔습니다. 100. 궁예. He is such a scary king. Yes, he is cruel. 됐습니다. 다 나왔습니다.